ain't did this shit in a minute, so y'all gotta bear with me right here. It's old school beat. Bitch, niggas all around looking at me like, Damo damn, can I take your girl home tonight? I say, if you got the bread, you can have the bitch. I'm selling hoes like I was a pimp, but I ain't on shit. If I got a bad bitch, trying to get a nurse lit. I send the bitch to you, never she can fuck it. Trust it, I don't give a fuck about no bitch. So if she doing dicks, I don't give a fuck shit. Bitch, she a slut, she a hoe and shit to me. I don't get no fuck if you got that bitch on her knees till her shit start to bleed. Just sit in the back to me, cause when she done doing you, she gon' do my other team. Got a team over here and a team over there, and it's probably only 3 niggas that I fuck with over there. So everybody know where I'm at and where I'm from, and the hoes come around, yeah, know they gon' go for a nigga like me. I'm 3D, not easy, but the hoes love me, cause I guess my style is pretty and my swag so nasty. I don't even wear shit. I ain't true that I probably got some Levi's and shit. Probably got some fucking ones on in the snapback. That's it. I don't gotta wear trues and all that. Got a couple polos and a couple more hoes and a couple of bitches that's really willing to go for me and my niggas. They do the whole crew like Drake. These hoes, they is loving the crew. And if I see a bad bitch, yes, he coming with me. And I'm telling you right now, I'm 3D. So she need on the glasses to see something like me. And my dick real big, that's why I call her MG. Man, then go. Got the hoes on the low. And I'm telling you right now how this shit really go. I ain't write this down. This straight from the dome. I probably fucked up slob coming out looking like foam, but I don't give a fuck. Probably already busting that in your bitch, and now her stabbing is kinda getting big. Yeah, we already know it ain't my kid, cause my dick is fake and it really ain't spitting out shit. But if a bitch tell me I ain't got a dick, I'ma pull it out and tell her now, bitch, suck this. Put it in the mouth like it was a gun, click, clap, pow. And I told the bitch I came in the mouth, bitch. She said, I thought your shit don't come, and I said, don't doubt me, bitch, I will come. And it probably ain't my dick, but it probably is my pussy, and I'm ready to the niggas come and get